our last episode, Fernie has turned into a winter wonderland. And it's all thanks to my friend here, the Grizz. Isn't that right, Grizz? Legend has it that Grizz is responsible for the lightest, softest, fluffiest snow we get every single season. Fernie locals have snow and skiing and snowboarding in their DNA. Let me introduce you to one of our local characters and his timeless tradition. Hey G Money, how are ya?
Hey,
nice to see ya.
Nice to see you.
Nice board.
Oh, thank you. Well, I am Greg Barrow, and I own Edge of the World. My name's G Money, and this is my rap at the Edge of the World. I wear the top hat. Well, I moved here in '99 and started Edge of the World, but I was going back and forth back to North Carolina till 2008 because I owned a whitewater rafting business there that I gave to my son. I wanted to move to where the snow was, and several people within the snowboard industry had told me about Fernie, and they said it was a good opportunity for a snowboard business. I've been catching the first chair. This was my 22nd year in a row. Yeah. I started the tradition of first chair just, I don't know, just like one night I was just like, man, I want to get first chair tomorrow. So I went, and I just got there early, and I got it, and then after that I was like, this is pretty cool. I was wanting to get a real tradition going of lots of people camping and just becoming a kind of a thing. I wasn't really caring if I got first chair, I just wanted it to become a thing, and it hasn't. It's generally just me, although lately there've been a few more people there.
G Money, you've reached legendary status here in Fernie. What is your craziest moment to date?
Oh gosh. I don't know about this legendary status stuff. That means you're old, right? I mean, I rode the hole in the wall, which is behind the Three Sisters, and that's a legendary line that Craig Kelly did and put in for the first time, and I don't know, that's one of my goals from the moment I moved to Fernie, and I did that, and I guess that was been kind of the peak of my experience in Fernie.
Inspired by G Money's timeless tradition of catching the first chair at Fernie Alpine Resort, the next generation of Fernie locals are trying to keep the tradition alive. Hi, friend.
Well, hello there. My name is Jeff Johnson. I've been catching first chair with my son, Will, for the past 4 years. We came early a couple mornings for opening day and saw Greg and some other people that were camping out and talking with my son, Will. Like, oh, wouldn't that be super fun? And so we decided to give it a go, and it was super fun. What makes Ski Base so special is that it's been ingrained in this community for so long. It was over 50 years ago when Heiko was building the ski hill and Linda put together Ski Base, and it's been in this community, serving this community ever since. A couple things that I love most about Fernie. One of them is the people. There's a really, I think, a fantastic group of people that have chosen Fernie as their place. Fernie is unique. It isn't polished, and that's okay.
When I said that Fernie locals have skiing in their DNA, I am talking about people like Dylan.
My name is Dylan Siggers, and I am a snow sliding enthusiast from Fernie, British Columbia. I grew up in Fernie. I was born here. I really like living here because it's a pretty mellow place. with lots of fun stuff to do, like skiing and mountain biking. And I mean, honestly, I feel like the best thing about Fernie, it's pretty cheesy, but like we just have like a really nice community. A lot of the people that live here either grew up here or spent a long time here, and that's my favorite part of it. Obviously, it's great skiing and stuff. Case in point, powder skiing footage overlaid. Back to the interview. I started skiing as a really little kid. My dad was a skier, worked at the ski resort, and I just liked how it was a good way to hang out with your friends and just have fun. I think the Fernie ski hill rides better than anywhere else that I've ever been. The lift system works really well. You can rip hot laps, and you always kind of link up with each other. It drains really well all through the bottom lifts. It doesn't feel like you're skating back to the chairlift very often. And it snows like a lot. It snows a lot here. Tons of snow. That's why I like it. lots of powder.
What's life like in Fernie after only 6 weeks? Let's head into Gear Hub and talk to Andrew to find out.
So my name's Andrew, and yeah, work at Gear Hub and work at the newly opened rental store where we rent out skis, snowboards, fat bikes, everything you need to enjoy the winter here. I've only been here for about 6 weeks, so yeah, really fresh to town, but it's great. Skiing in Fernie has been fantastic so far. It's been you know, very different to back home in New Zealand. I got hooked on skiing back in New Zealand last year. And coming here, just getting used to the powder and the sheer number of runs that we have up the hill. I mean, we're spoilt for choice. I can see myself spending the entire season here and not even scratching the surface of what there is to offer on the mountain. So if I wasn't skiing, I mean, there's so many choices. We've got snowboards, we've got cross-country skis, we've got snowshoes, fat bikes. All the trails are just on our doorstep. You know, you barely need to drive too far to get on some good trails and into some wilderness. So yeah, pretty amazing to be able to do that.
As you have seen and heard, Fernie is home to some inspiring people, amazing shops, and epic snow. Speaking of snow, where's Grizz? Grizz? Well, Grizz, thanks for an awesome start to the season. Keep the snow coming. Fernie ski season is well underway and lasts until early April. I look forward to seeing you on the mountain.